Problem number 7. Given that x equal to one separate function, y is equal to one separate function, common variable is t. So first I'll take only x, derivation with respect to t I'll make first. dx by dt is equal to, which formula? U by v formula. v into d by dt of u minus u into d by dt of root cos 2t divided by square root of cos 2t whole square. Which formula? U by v formula using. Square root get cancelled first is equal to root cos 2t minus into sin cube t. Sin cube t derivation is 3 sin square t. 3 sin square t. X place sin t is there. Sin t derivation is cos t. Sin t derivation is cos t. Total completed. Next, sin cube t into this derivation is 1 by 2 root cos 2t. 1 by 2 root cos 2t. Next, x place cos 2t is there. Cos 2t derivation is minus sin 2t. Cos 2t derivation is minus sin 2t. Again 2t is there. 2t derivation is 2. 2t derivation is 2. Whole divided by cos 2t. Cos 2t. Here you can observe 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled is equal to, take the LCM. LCM is root cos 2t by cos 2t. Take the LCM. Now root cos 2t into root cos 2t. Cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t minus into minus plus sin cube t. Sin 2t. Sin 2t we can write as a 2 sin t cos t. 2 sin t cos t. Sin 2t formula 2 sin t cos t. Now dy by dx, dx by dt is equal to, total simplification I am writing here, cos 2t 3 sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t 2 sin t cos t divided by cos 2t square root of cos 2t. Now y is equal to, I'll find y is equal to what they given, cos cube t by square root of cos 2t. Derivation with respect to t. dy by dt, again same u by v formula, square root of cos 2t into sin cos cube t derivation 3 cos square t, cos t derivation minus sin t. Chain rule applies. U dash 3 cos cube t into cos t derivation is minus sin t minus cos cube t derivation of root cos 2t. Root cos 2t is 1 by 2 root cos 2t. Cos 2t derivation is, cos 2t derivation what will get as minus sin 2t into 2. Minus sin 2t into 2 whole divided by square root of cos 2t whole square. Square root get cancelled here. 2 get cancelled. Now dy by dt is equal to, take the LCM. LCM taking means this one here multiply. Cos 2t, 3 cos square t, minus is there, minus I'll write outside, into sin t. Minus into minus plus cos cube t, sin 2t. Sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t, whole divided by root, I'll write this as a cos 2t root of cos 2t, cos 2t root of cos 2t. Now we have to find the dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. What is the dy by dt value? This is the dy by dt value. In this one, what we can make the common is cos t we can take common and sin t we can take common. Cos t and sin t I'll take common. Cos t, sin t. If we are taking common, remaining values minus cos 2t, minus cos 2t, 3 cos square t, 3 cos square t. Cos t, already one cos t gone, so 3 cos t plus cos cube t into 2 is the 2 I'll write first, whole divided by cos 2t square root of cos 2t divided by dx by dt. What is the dx by dt? Here also common value is sin t cos t, common you take sin t cos t. One sin t gone, one cos t gone. Remaining values is cos 2t into 3 plus 2 sin cube t whole divided by cos 2t square root of cos 2t. These all cancel. Now dy by dx value is dy by dx is equal to, here cos 2t is there, cos 2t I can write as a minus 2 cos square t minus 1 into 3 cos t plus 2 cos cube t divided by, here cos 2t 3 into 1 minus 2 sin cube sin square t, 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin cube t. Now multiply minus 6 cos square t minus into minus plus 3 cos t plus 2 cos cube t. Next 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin cube t. 1 minute here. 3 sin t you will get here. 3 sin t. So what will get 3 sin t minus 6 sin cube t, that is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is 4 cos cube t by, yes, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. 4 sin cube t minus, if you are taking negative common, This will become cos 3t formula. This is a sin 3t formula. That is equal to minus cot 3t. Minus cot 3t is the dy by dx value. Pause the video to next. Problem number 8. Common variable is t. So I'll make the derivation with respect to t. What will get a dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivation is minus sin t. Cos t derivation is minus sin t plus log derivation is 1 by x. X plus tan t by 2 is there. So derivation for tan t by 2. Now here I'll write dy by dt also I'll complete. Dy by dt is a into sin t derivation is cos t. Sin t derivation is cos t. Now simplify this one. Minus sin t plus this one 1 by tan, that is nothing but cot t by 2. Cot t by 2. Tan t derivation is secant square t by 2. Again derivation for t by 2. Again derivation for t by 2. Why? Because t plus t by 2 is there. Next, a into minus sin t plus this one we can write as a cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. Sin t by 2. This one 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Both cancel. Next, a into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 sin t. Sin t. Why? Because sin 2t formula is 2 sin t cos t. But sin t formula is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. That is equal to a into sin t, take the LCM, 1 minus sin square t. I am writing reverse. So the one first I am writing minus sin square t. That is equal to a into 1 minus sin square t is cos square t by sin t. Cos square t by sin t. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. This is the dx by dt. Dy by dt is a cos t by a cos square t by sin t. A get cancelled, 1 cos t get cancelled. Reverse, if we are making reverse, that will become tan t. Sin t by cos t is tan t. Next, problem number 9. Problem number 9. X is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. B tan theta. Derivation with respect to theta. Derivation with respect to theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a into secant theta derivation. Secant theta tan theta. Dy by d theta is equal to b into tan theta derivation. Tan theta derivation is secant square theta with respect to theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. What is the dy by d theta value? B secant square theta by a into secant theta tan theta. Here 1 secant theta cancel. B 1 by cos theta. A tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. B by a into 1 by sin theta that is nothing but b by a, 1 by sine. 1 by sine is cosecant theta. This is the dy by dx value. Pause the video. Problem number 10. Common variable parameter is theta. So derivation with respect to theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a into derivation of cos theta. Derivation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus uv formula apply. uv formula theta into u into v dash. Sin theta derivation is cos theta plus v into u dash. v into u dash. Next, dy by d theta also same you have to make. dy by d theta is equal to a into sin theta derivation is cos theta minus uv formula same, but minus is there, bracket you write, theta into v dash minus sin theta plus cos theta into 1. Cos theta into 1. Simplify this one. Dx by d theta is equal to a into minus sin t plus sin t cancel. A into theta cos theta. A into theta cos theta. dy by d theta is equal to a into cos theta minus into minus plus theta sin theta minus cos theta minus plus cancel. Answer is a theta sin theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. What is the dx by d theta? A theta sin theta by a theta cos theta. A theta cancel. Answer is tan theta. Answer is tan theta. Next, problem number 11. Problem number 11 is y is equal to x is equal to square root of a sin inverse t. Y is equal to a cos inverse t. A cos inverse t. So that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Minus y by x. This problem we can make in 3 different ways. First, direct derivation with respect to t. One method, dx by dt, dy by dt you will get, final dy by dx will find. One more method, apply the log on both sides. We can make the simplification, general simplification, logarithmic derivations. Next, one more method is that is a very easy method. I'll follow that. Solution given that you have to write given x into y. I'll make x into y. Root sin inverse t into root cos inverse t. Square root of a sin inverse t into a cos inverse t. Can write that. Next, square root of a sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. Bases are equal, power should be added. Square root of pi by 2. Square root of pi by 2. Why? Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 in inverse trigonometry. Now xy. Derivation with respect to x. Direct derivation with respect to xy, because dy by dx we need. uv formula apply. X into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x. Value is 0. Constant is there 0. Now x into dy by dx plus y into 1. Y into 1. X dy by dx is equal to minus y dy by dx is equal to minus y by x, hence proved. This is the one method. One more two methods I explained, you can try that one, but answer will be minus y by x. Pause the video.